That's right. Hey, Pook and I are at the John Day Fossil Bed National Monument. The big thing is we're here to see the painted hills. So let's go check it out. So we are at the painted hills. Looks like there's about 3 main stops that you can do where there's little trails. Right now we're at the Painted Cove Nature Trail. So I'll turn this around and check it out. Walking on the boardwalk. So this one is just a short little hike. Sign at the beginning said it was a quarter mile. So we're at the Leaf Fossil Trail. This is another little quarter mile loop. This is about a mile from the last one, so it's about 2 miles from the first one. It's been about 20 years since I've been here, but before you used to be able to find little stones that would have, you can't collect them, but they had like the little leaf imprints, little fossilized leaves. So we'll see what we see. Here's the surrounding landscape. Crunch, 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 crunch. Look at all the juniper berries. Berries, cones, whatever. Let's see what the kiosk says. This says no collecting.
So this is a leaf all year.
There are leaf fossils. You know, you can see the imprints in some of these stones. Yes. It says no collecting, but I guarantee you the ones that are close to this fence, people have collected. That's just the way it is. So that's it for stop number 2. And now we're gonna head back to the first stop. Well, as soon as you pull in the first stop. So we'll see you there. Well, there's no signs that say this is the Red Hill. There's a trail, there's a bridge, and there's a Red Hill. But I don't know if it's the Red Hill. Oh, sorry. Thought I was filming water. There's no water here. It's dry. See, that looks like a Red Hill. I think Pook just wanted to stop here and get a picture. Oh, this is actually the end of the trail. I thought there was a trail that went up there, but there's not. This is the closest you get. Well, there's the Red Hill. So that is the Red Hill. I think that's the Red Hill. Again, there's no signs here. There's a parking lot. But we're gonna go to the first site as you enter into this area. We'll see you there. So right now we are going to check out this. I think it just kind of goes up there to the top. So this is about the different soils. So the iron red paleo soils indicate a warm and moist environment where the soil was usually damp. The yellow and tan soils indicate a drier environment than the red layers where standing water would not have been present in much of the area. And the black spots in some areas are caused by manganese concentrations. These are thought to be indicators of some sort of plant that fixed manganese, in the soil. Much the same way that the Kenyan toothpick tree, Dobera glabra, does today. Interesting. Oh, kind of looking into the sun, but... So that is it. We actually came to the first spot last. So Pook's over here. Yeah, so that's it for our Painted Hills adventure. So we'll see you next time. Say bye, Pook. Bye. See ya.